Accept exception as E, colon. And look at that because this is another thing we haven't come across before in our program. It demonstrates exception capture using the as keyword. This is Python's way of storing caught exception objects in variables. You can access their details and provide meaningful error information. As E, this exception catches any type of error that occurs in the try block. As E stores the actual exception object in a variable named E. STRE converts the exception object into a readable error message, and this enables access to specific error details for debugging and user feedback. The concept of exception objects containing error information allows programs to provide detailed feedback about what went wrong. Instead of generic error handling, you can access the actual error message and display it meaningfully. That as keyword creates exception variables that hold the complete error information, providing you with meaningful context for understanding what help your application needs, what's going on, what's going wrong. It's great debugging support.